Okay, so we finished, I finished one already. We're going to add the pockets now. Do the top stitching and the top stitching here and the stay stitching on the rest. So let's get the next one here. So this is, I think, the only part of the hoodies that really takes a little bit longer. And the idea is is just to get everything going nicely here on the pockets. So everything is aligned. So the first stitch that we do is on the inside. And I pin according to the line, or so according to the pins that are here, just to keep it straight. So the first stitch is this inside stitch here. So the pockets do take a little bit longer because I'm using this method of first stitching on the inside. So now we just make sure that, so we're going to do a top stitch there now. What we'll do is just make sure that it's nice and straight everywhere. We're going to fold it in here at the bottom. Just like this. And then we're going to start and do the stitching right around. So we're going to do a stitch there now, top stitching, and all the way around. The stitch at the bottom and here on the side is just a stay stitch, so that when we work with everything, that it doesn't flap around, and when we move things through the overlocker and so on. So it's just to make sure that the panels remain relatively aligned. I just want to see something. Okay, there we've got it. This pocket looks good. You can already see it from here. So there it is. Everything looks nice and clean. You look at it. Nice stitch there. It looks nice here. The pocket is nicely secured. Everything is aligned. So the next step now is to do the second one. So we'll do this one now next. So make sure that we're sewing the right side here. I wonder why. Oh no, this pocket is the right side. So yeah, so it's now just to do this one now.